Pizza of doom.
Vegan baby food. Spicy sauce?
What kind of dog food are we talking about here? Oh. Hello, welcome back to the BOSH. Nearly hit you there, didn't I?
Yes, you did.
Hello, welcome back to the BOSH Lounge, where we have got a really exciting game we're going to be performing today.
And just so you didn't know, this is Henry.
That's Ian.
We are
BOSH!
And today we are going to be eating a pizza that has been made for us by our good friend and confidant and colleague, Mr. Harris of the Charles clan.
This is Pizza of Doom. In this game, we eat 8 slices of disgusting pizza, dictated by the spinny wheel, and 4 of them are delicious, and 4 of them are gonna be terrible. So without further ado, let's check out this Pizza of Doom. I mean, it looks grimy.
Yeah, this is like no pizza that has ever been crafted before known to mankind. It's obviously vegan because that's what we do. Half of it is beautiful, half of it is bloody disgusting.
What I'm hoping for is you clean sweep. I get all the good ones, you get the bad ones.
Right then.
To begin, obviously, scissors, paper, stone.
Uh-huh.
Or is it rock, paper, scissors? Best of 3 or first one?
First one.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
And again.
1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah.
So that means you spin.
I'm so scared. Times like this, just think about what the guaranteed the outcome you want is. I want the sausage.
The metal sausage.
I can't look.
Ding, 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 ding. What do you reckon you got?
Sausage.
Vegan baby food.
No! Look how green it is.
Yeah, I know, man. I feel sorry for the kids.
Just to clarify, that is asparagus and peas.
Asparagus
no.
and peas, that's okay.
Not bad.
3, 2. 3, 2. That was a bloody big bite, mate. You took the whole slice. What was it like?
If you were to smush up peas and asparagus and make it into a paste and then put it on pizza, that's what it tasted like.
Yeah.
That wasn't that bad.
Yeah.
You know the problem with that though was the texture.
I bet it's like, well, there's nothing there. It's just like. I'm gonna spin and see what's going on. Right, what have we got? What have we got? Spicy sausage.
Oh, no spicy sauce.
Spicy sauce?
So, to clarify, this is about 5 different types of chili sauce, and there's also some wasabi on there.
Well, in for a penny, in for a.
This is gonna hurt.
It's hot as a mother. Now the heat's coming.
The heat's hitting it
So now,
now.
like that Thai mini chili heat is just started to kick in, and it's like sort of like got this nice wafting roll across the tongue. It's hot.
I can see sweat forming on your brow.
Yeah.
2 of the worst pizzas out of the way.
So spin time. We need like some kind of spin.
Oh wait.
All right, spin. It's making a nice noise. What we got?
Vegan duck.
That is good. You did well there. That was like the
Epic.
one that you wanted. Disclaimer: we haven't eaten much in the way of dinner, so this is actually perfect. So big of you, Charles.
It could do with a bit of hoisin sauce, but that is absolutely delicious. Who would have thought that you would have vegan duck?
Okay, shall I go?
You're definitely getting dog food. What do you think you're getting?
I'm gonna go. I think hummus. I think hummus. Peanut butter Marmite, the one I wanted. The one I wanted.
Peanut butter and Marmite.
Apparently, this is the thing now.
Go. I mean, even this bit does not look good.
That's really nice. Peanut butter Marmite pizza for the win. That's a BOSH video coming soon.
New
to a
BOSH
channel near
video.
you.
So all the good ones are left except for the dog food.
So it's your turn to spin. Vegan dog food.
Vegan sausage.
Vegan dog food. Vegan dog food.
No! What kind of dog food are we talking about here? Just so I'm clear.
That is a dog biscuit mashed up so it fits onto the pizza. But it smells like digestive biscuit.
Right. Here we go. Oh, it's got the sound effect.
Thanks, Captain.
Doesn't taste of anything. Or does it?
It's disgusting. It's disgusting.
Yeah, it's a weird thing.
Oh, the flavour was not rancid, but it was not rancid.
Yeah,
it was somewhere between the two. I mean,
between the two.
Between the two.
And now we're gonna do the next spin. And it's sausage. So I nailed another easy one. Except I might bust my
You
tooth.
might rip your teeth on
Apologies.
that, yeah. Oh.
I'm extremely shit.
This is what I have to put up with.
Right then, ready? You want a spin?
I would rather go for hummus, I think.
Like literally, if you were at the casino, your pockets would be empty. And
No, but
your
the
bank
funny-
account would have been.
See, I won one.
Barbecue sauce on pizza.
I mean, I
is-
have friends who do this. They put barbecue sauce on
Yeah.
pizza. I think it's kind of nasty, but I mean, that was barbecue sauce. That was fine. You might as well just eat
Right,
that, dude.
I'm gonna spin because I like the noise. Veggies and hummus, woo! Okay, cool. Here we go.
Yum, yum, get that in you, mate.
yum. So hummus on pizza should always be a thing.
Oh, there you go. He definitely got the best out of this. Guys, who do you think? Do you think Ian got let off the hook a little bit? Do we need to do this again? Do we need to try more disgusting toppings? Because I feel like they weren't that bad.
No.
Let us know your ideas in the comments for what horrible, nasty toppings we could have done. All vegan, please. We don't want to eat meat.
Yeah, absolutely not. So, I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoyed that. If you did enjoy it, drop us a comment below.
I bet you enjoyed it. You got all the easy
Yeah,
ones.
it was great.
Hit a like if you thought this was a cool video, and obviously subscribe because we make amazing, tasty food videos all the time.
Bish!
Bash!
Bosh!